This is a videotape inspection of the Grob vertical bandsaw. Not sure of the year. Go ahead and walk around the machine. As you can hear, it's running just fine. Got the nice on-off switch, easy. Go ahead and open up some of the doors so you can see everything moving. Go ahead and get some of the lower doors. Got the brush over there to clean the blade off as it's cutting. Foot pedal for the brake. It also comes with all this extra stuff. Looks like you've got some lube, a wire brush, a few other little components. Nothing in there. Let's go ahead and try to get this back door open. The motor is, as you can hear, it's pretty good, nice and smooth. Go back around to the front. This concludes the videotape inspection of the Grob vertical bandsaw.